welcome back to the channel. I'm Bird's Nest, aka Robin, and I'm going to show you today how to make 5 easy Father's Day gifts using Dollar Tree and Dollar Store items. So the first thing I'm going to do is use these mugs that I got at Dollar Tree. Now I did buy a few other things to put in. I bought these socks. I got some razors and some shaving cream. I also got some paintbrushes, some tea, and some drink mix. I got some Kleenex. You get quite a few in the pack. And I also got some tape. And some goodies. I got these chocolate bars. And I got these fans. I thought they might be nice to throw in. Now I was originally going to use that paper to put it in the bottom. So I did crunch it up. You will want to use something for some space filler on the inside. But I had also bought these French fry cups at Dollarama. I really like the pattern on them, and I decided to use the little paper that came in that, just to give it more of a Father's Day feel. So I'm just deciding here how I want to place everything. And I'm taking one pair of the socks and putting it in. I didn't like the way it was sitting, so I took out the filler and I put in the socks alone. I still didn't like it. Then I added a package of Kleenex. It is Kleenex brand, which is really good, and you do get quite a few inside. For $1.25, that's a steal. Then I had this pack of razors. It had 4 inside, so I put 1 razor per each cup. The next thing is the Starburst drink mix, and it is sugar-free. So I put 2 in each one. And if you were going for a patriotic theme for the USA, you could do the red and white and blue and white as well for that. It's an idea. So now I'm just taking the buffalo check, putting it at the bottom. Then I put the pair of socks in. Just deciding how to put the socks in so everything fits in well. Then the Kleenex, I put that at the back. So the first one does take a bit of time to decide how you want to put everything. But once you get the first one done, then all the rest come pretty easily. Now I'm sticking one of these chocolates in the back, the little Starburst drink mixes in the front with the shaver. I had this pack of mints that I got from Dollar Tree, so I decided to add 1 pack of mints per cup. So I just opened it up, and now I'm deciding where to put the mints. Just put them on the side there. Then I stuck in a thing of tape. It fit best in the back. Here it is so far. had these Tootsie Rolls and I wanted to stick them in as well. So I put about 4 per little cup basket. And just put them in on the side there. I love Tootsie Rolls, don't you? It's a nice chocolatey chew. Here it is. Looks pretty good and pretty full. Now I'm going to wrap it with some Cello. So I just opened up the Cello and put down the cup on the inside. I measured about how much I would need, and then I cut it from the roll. Next, I gathered up all of the sides and made sure everything was covered. And I had some ribbon. I like the thin ribbon for these baskets because it's very easy to manipulate and easy to cut if you only have one hand free. And it's also easier to tie the ribbon, I find. I decided to tie it into a knot. And then I used my scissors to make curls, ribbon curls, just so it looked more high-end. And then I cut some of the Cello at the top just so it looked nicer, wasn't going all over the place. So I'm just going to repeat the process, putting in all of the items. Now this one says love builds a happy home, and the socks say nailed it. And the reason why I made these ones is because my cousins are building themselves a house. So I thought this would be very fitting with the theme. And I wanted to surprise them for Father's Day. So I'm just arranging everything here. I did end up making 5 of them. And I only spent about $20 or so on all of the ingredients. Some of the things I had on hand already, or the last couple of times I went shopping, I thought about, oh, Father's Day's coming up, so maybe I'll grab this or that. Because they're mugs, this Cello roll did last for about 4 of them. I did have these little frogs. I had a couple of them that I had bought, and I wanted to attach them on top. So I just took another piece of ribbon and I tied it in where the legs are of the frog, and that's how I attached it. Here are all of the little mug baskets that I made. I really like them a lot, and I think they make a nice presentation What do you think? Well, that's it for my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it. Check my channel very soon for hauls, DIYs, try-ons in my room.